Okay, here we've got the CP7225 needle scaler pistol grip. It's got a nice rubber pistol grip, keeps the cold away from your hands, easy trigger. Comes with two sets of needles, a 3mm which are fitted and 2mm for finer work. Okay, needle scalers are great for removing rust, deep rust and surface rust, also for prepping bodywork. If you've got a bit of bodywork that you think's a little bit iffy, a little bit of surface rust perhaps, you run this across it. If it goes through, then it needs repairing. If it doesn't, then you can repair it and paint over. It's a tool that is not that widespread, but it's one of my real mainstays in vehicle restoration. Very, very useful piece of kit. Let's get some rust off with it.